All right, so I'm gonna do a quick analysis on USDJPY. Let's see what's happening with this particular pair here. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, perfect. Had a nice retest here and it went back up. But we see the USD gain momentum, so it would be buying opportunities you're looking for. All right, so I see we have a support here. All right, what that going a long time there. Right, so the example I wanted to draw, guys, the reason why you stay away from red folders, see this long candle here? You could do all the analysis you want when that news hit on a red, because it's real time. You can never tell which direction the market would go, based on the news impact the charts. So everybody could have been looking to sell somewhere here, everybody would have drawn a trend line and say, well, you know what? We like to sell here or somewhere and go down, and the news end up to be positive. Currently, given the USD momentum, and it went straight up to the buy, and guess what? It hit your stop loss here because it didn't know to stay away from the red folder. It has some people that trade the news, but that is more risky because it's unpredictable. You can never tell if the news would go, on a positive or negative. So you always wait for the red folder to finish, and then you trade after. And that is very important. That's fundamentals in trading. I really know that first, right? Y'all could ask any questions on thing, right? Feel free to ask some questions if you would like to. Right, so the USD JPY, I'm simply looking, we had to look for buy opportunities because the USD is strong. All right, so I could see a trend here. Trend is happening here. Right, so there's a possibility it could come along to this level and continue with the upward movement. Let me see how far that could actually take us to. It already broke the trend here. We got a retest here. So here would be a good place to, if it comes down to this level, to buy it. So we could see now some areas of interest. Alright. It is on a real good rejection area here. This could actually be a good selling opportunity, but it's the US dollar dropping a little bit here. We could look on a little sell opportunity here because I see it hit the 50. There's a rejection area. You would see a rejection here, right? And also here. If you go back in the past, I'll show you what's your next rejection. So that's a real strong rejection area here. All right. For we to sell, if we had to sell this, let me show you what you had to do, right? Let's delete this here. Yeah, look at the fast selling opportunity on USDJPY. All right, it's at the high. Let's put on our indicator here. We want to see this momentum die down a little bit. As you can see, it have a strong upward movement here. Right? If when it breaks or even comes down here, the safest thing to do is to wait for a candle to close below this trend here. Once it closes below that area is a good indication for a selling opportunity. And this would be in the binary options. All right. USDJPY. Let's check this one more time. I like how that USD strength so strong. It could easily turn, right? So let's be a little patient here. small little retracement we're looking for, because we know overall it's a buying opportunity on USDJPY. So let me take a look what is happening here. Put some areas of interest. We have a 50% here. We have a next area here. Next area here. All those could be support areas for buying opportunities. We gotta wait on the market then. For we to sell this, we need to see a proper red candle close. And based on the indicator, if we get a sell above that candle, that'll be a confirmation. We need to see it break this trend here too. Once it breaks this trend here, that'll be a good selling opportunity. So it's just a matter of time, being all patient. Everybody understanding what it is I'm doing, what it is I'm saying? Everybody quiet. Krishnan,
Yeah, we seen bro.
talk to my bro.
Are you good?
Makes
Are you good?
sense?
Huh?
I said make sense.
Yeah. Yeah, makes sense, man.
Right. So
Just
we have a
patient.
you have to have patience, trust me. See how this ride in this momentum here, it's weak now. But you had to
Yeah.
wait on a proper break to take a sell. Because it could turn
Yeah.
the same red line here. This could be our next support too.
Yeah.
But this is good. You see this is a real good indication here. If it closed below here too, below the red.
Yeah.
But I want to see it break the trend now. It's how to break that trend.
Right. You're playing it safely.
You had to, boy, because it could quickly reverse, huh?
Yeah.
It could quickly reverse. So
Patience game, man.
that's what happened last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, going in too early.
Too early, yeah.
And top here would have been a nice entry. You could see the RSI. Yeah, the RSI roll overboard. So it's really just a retrace you're looking for, huh? Because the dollar strong.
Right.
Yeah, wow, that US dollar real strong, boy. That's a tricky one here.
Yeah.
It might just come here and I feel it go up the road. If
I just thought you shoot back here.
yeah, if the momentum don't die down here now. So when this candle closes here, we'll see what's happening here.
Well, if it and golf the next the last candle, that will be good.
But what we want to see is more wicks, less body.
Yeah.
Right? You see, like how we see this wick here, this is an indication of a reversal now. But watch how the market fake out here. Somebody would have sell here, right? And that would have been a losing trade.
Yeah.
Because it didn't close below the trend. You understand?
Yeah.
And it went straight up and it continued going up the road there. So the safest thing to do as a final confirmation, you wait on a break on the trend. You had to wait on that break.
Yeah.
And I like the Bollinger Band nice. You have to know how to read this good. Because
I know to read.
yeah, there is resistance here there.
Sometimes I just hug that band and go up the road. And
yeah, that continue going up the road. So
yeah,
it closed below the red. So that is a good confirmation there. Right? We getting some good. Again, I drop here. Up here would have been a nice seller. And top here.
But you see, it would have been a gamble too.
Yeah, it would have been a gamble. But it have a strategy that is used when it reached a certain height, right? The wick at the previous candles, it has
Right.
always reached to a half point area, boy, and then reject. And that is exactly what happened here.
Right.
So we're just waiting on a sell close and possibly a break on the trend. If it drop here, it could what could happen here? Let me tell you what could happen here. It could drop here and come back all the way here and then
Mm-hmm.
continue coming down.
And we continue downward.
Yeah. So that is your retest area now.
Yeah.
Yeah, to this morning, 10 o'clock, boy. What? We catch real trades, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Euro, it was GBP USD. Let me show you all what we caught this morning. We caught this candle here.
Hmm.
That's news.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's talk about gold. Yeah, we caught some really nice setups on gold there. And GBP AUD too. That had a nice drop too. All right, so let's see what's happening with this USDJPY. I feel this could be the trade of the night here. Something with that pair. That's a major pair, by the way. Yeah, major and minors. You'll have to learn about correlation, correlated pairs, and some nice movement. Yeah, I feel this US dollar dropping. No, it's still strong. You see when I reach this high here, like how AUD is, you want to stay away from now. It'll be unpredictable. So if it close below here, on the trend, below the trend here, we'll sell it on the retest. Because most likely if it close below here and I sell it here, it will go back up. The retest then drop. And that real drop from here, and that peak there was really a nice sell there. Let's see. So we have 1 minute and 51 seconds. Let me just run through quickly some other pairs here. Let's see what's happening here. So I remember 1 minute. All right. EUD USD. I think I see EUD was real high. Wow. You see what's going on here? USD just pick up momentum here. And AUD. Wow. Wait. Yeah. Both pairs on real high movements right now. AUD USD. Alright. Let's see what's happening here. You have a trend here. This look like a nice retest area here. Let's see where this dropping to. Support levels here. So this could come all the way down here as a sell. A lot of people in the MT4 is selling AUD USD right now though, and NCD USD. All right, let me go back to this USDJPY. Let's see if we don't miss this opportunity here. All right, 27 seconds. We don't know what to do. We want to see this thing close below the trend because it could go far by. All these blue lines here is support areas. See what's happening here. This could act as a support here too. So we get the confirmation here on this sell. All right, let me just see. I'll do 1 and 3 at 649. 651. I'll take 1 and 3 there. On a 5 minutes fixed time one. Market entry would have been 649. That kind of risky entry here because it didn't break the trend, but it got me It gave me the confirmation on the candle here. So I'm going based on that. All right, let me see here. All right, we getting some big drops here. Nice. All the way down here. Oh, by the way, persons who new to the binary, put a sell, strike price is the price itself, sold the trade at, and you see that on the chart, 649. But I just do 5 minutes with 2 rollovers max, and that's it. Once it reach the end of this price and it stays below this line, it would be a winning trade. 85% is paying on this particular pair, which means at $5, you would have made, well, once it closed in my favor, I will make $4.25 USD profits here in 5 minutes, provided I don't do any rollovers. Nice. So you see it is coming below. So we got a nice pushback up here. That's because of the US dollar. It's strong. A lot of strong pairs here. Yeah. Somebody dropped something in the chat. Okay, good. Because of the US dollar being strong, guys, it could actually bounce here. Come back up the road. JPY is weak. So it's not really advisable to run long the spear. That's why I did 1 and 3. I don't even think I'll be rolling this. Let me see what's happening here. See, it's going back up. I'll do 1 roll on this. Yeah. Do 1 roll. So what the rollover does, it takes 30% of whatever price you would have put in, they add 30% to give you an extra 5 minutes on the trade. So you see what happened there? If I didn't roll it, it would have come down into profits and possibly clear in the 5-minute period. But I rolled it, so I have to wait. It's a nice setup anyway. And how I add it 30%, it would be a little more we getting payout once it clears in my favor as well. So just look at USDJPY and see what's happening. Because that way feel going to happen here, why? You're online? It seems not. Yeah, Krishna. All right. So anyone here know how to trade binary? Lisa, do you know how to trade binary? Gracie? Y'all can unmute your microphones if you want.
Hi, good night.
Good night.
Yes, I do know how to trade binary.
Okay, good, good.
Yeah.
Nice. So you know what is happening here with this USDJPY, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it didn't break the trend. The US dollar is still strong, so it is going up the road.
Correct.
So the rules is very simple. You do 2 rollover on 1 trade maximum. If you take 2 loss, I mean, you stop trading until the next day or something. That's the rule you had to stick by. So I like the setup. The setup is nice, but the momentum is something else. This US dollar is crazy strong right now. Watch all
Yeah,
these pairs,
strong in value.
real strong. But I mean,
Mhm.
it's at a good area for sell. But it have to break that trend there. You see, it came down here and it wick support.
Yeah.
It didn't break the trend line, and it's still going up. But there's a resistance here too, so it could drop
Mhm.
here. You see, less wick. I mean, sorry, less body, more wick is good. There is a
Mhm.
sign that the market is trying to turn. We got a fake out here, right? Most likely this may not be a fake out, but the time is the time. So I'm gonna do one more roll. Let me see what's up here. Let's see what's going on. It could drop here and close underneath here. If it closes here, that'll be real good.
I lost that one.
You didn't wait, you didn't roll it?
No, I'm using pocket option.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, we had to
Yeah.
do because I just do 2 rolls on a 5 minutes. That is 15 minutes. You could do like a 10-minute trade or 15-minute.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, pocket option is just the timing. Yeah, so
Yeah, they don't have rollover feature, but
no
I just use BitForex as well.
orbit forex. Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know that one. No more like IQ options and pocket option.
What about race option?
Well, yeah, yeah. IQ sense and race option more or less are
Okay.
around the same features now. Double up and roll over. But I missed my
Okay.
rule here on the second rule, so I kind of hovering through the entry. I just gonna leave it. If I win it,
Yeah, but you're
I
gonna
mean,
take a longer while to get out of that trade now, cause I think you rose 3 times or 2.
no, no. I just did once, but it's just a couple minutes. Like the line
Oh,
here. I don't know if you see my screen, but hopefully if it stays below here, I'll clear it.
right,
Right,
right.
so you see this candle break the trend here? Look at this here. This is a lovely setup here. Actually, this candle haven't closed. Oh yeah, but it's trying to break the trend. If it breaks the trend here, that'll be real good. Yeah, you see how this thing playing up by the entry here? They're just
Mm-hmm.
gonna just wait and see. Not gonna run down the trade. Once it stays below there, I'll be good to go. Right. Once it closes below here, be real good. And you know the last minute or so, it's be running
Everybody
right
wanna
by the
spike
entry.
you. Oh
Oh,
my god.
yes. Yeah. Cannot put all you know, you can't put all your confidence on one trader. That's a
Not at
serious thing.
all.
Yeah, that's the same trade go the loss. Yeah. Watch how I drop in here. Wow, this
Like
is
you have
real.
some hope there, man.
Yeah, well, I mean, it already showed me some signs here. We got a fake out here, right? We got some good confirmations here. A less body, more wick, but it's still rejected, so it went up. Look, it closed below, so it broke the trend there. Let me see what's happening.
Right, right.
How to stay right there.
Yep. Oh,
So
you're
we
gonna
could get,
make it, man.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Alex, all good. Right,
Boom.
so I cleared that trade there.
One.
See, one for the road. 30 minutes it actually took for a setup
Hmm.
like that.
If
So
I take a rollover or take the 10 minutes, then I would have been in position.
yeah, the 10 minutes would have been fine.
Yeah.
You see how this coming back up here? but it broke the
Mhm.
trend, which is good. So it looking to retest now. But I don't trust this momentum. But it could just die back down again. So
Mm.
let's see what's happening. Have 8 minutes here. Got a real good area to sell. Here is 50%. All right. If it comes back up to 651, take the next 5 minutes sell on because it broke the trend.
Okay.
651 or 650. Yeah, taking it right at 649. Somewhere here, it's gonna retest. Wow, it's going up. Okay. So do like a 10 minutes, right?
Yeah.
I took the idea because it broke the trend on the trade. We got
Mhm.
a rejection here with the candle here as this resistance area here. So right somewhere around here, it should drop. See the gaining back momentum. This thing must be something else. You know, this currency strength. If you look in the past here, I mean, some serious drops here. Okay, so let's see. That's by the entry here. This was real important. This trend,
Mm.
not to break that trend. And as a retest, most likely that is a wick we looking at there. It could come down to this area and touch here and bounce back up right here. Check out something quick here. Yeah, that could drop a good bit. That could drop a real good bit. See it, it started wicked.
Yes.
That's the retest area. Wait, I had to be right by my entry. Let's see about it. I will take one rule if it comes up.
In profit, man.
Yeah. I said this looking real good here. This is a real
Yeah.
good
Good.
setup here. You see, it don't make sense to run long and set up pairs, eh? It's just one pair you really need in it.
It's true, no?
Yeah, because sometimes you're running all these other pairs and you miss the opportunity.
True.
All right, so I'm gonna take something. I feel it gonna drop. Feel like I'm going to get a job. Gonna take a
It's playing, it's playing.
yes, play with your brains. Let's see. I know it's a rejection area. It's the time. It's the
Time.
time. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, so I just took one rule there. So it should just be 10 minutes now. And I'm sure it's gonna drop. You see?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it played with my brains. Yeah.
Oh, they bro.
You inside too or what?
Yes.
Right. But you took the 10 minutes and watch out this perfect rejection.
Yeah, took the 10 minutes.
Wait. And I clear that
Down
too.
the road.
Watch out that rejection. I hope it don't drop down straight here. Because here now is a serious rejection area to go back up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sometimes candles just drop. You see, look exactly what I was saying here. You see how this big rejected here? But look at this one. This is a buy. It close above. So it reject this area here. Let's see what's happening here. I should not realize.
Hmm.
They had to stick to their rules. They had to stick to their rules. It's the
Correct.
rules. Take the loss. Before you enter a trade, you already had to consider that loss, eh?
Yeah, the very moment you enter, you already lost it. You start to,
Yeah. You don't ever enter with all your funds on one trade.
mm,
Look, this is, this is beautiful here. What is a lovely setup here? Wow. It's a nice setup here.
mm.
Everything is confirmation, guys. You have to wait on proper confirmation. Binary trading is something else. Right. Let's take how much we have there? 3 minutes. 31. Let's take a quick run through and see what the other pairs look like. Yeah, strong downtrend. GBP AUD. Right. Actually, we have two trends here. Hey, consolidating right now. All right. EURCAD. A lot of support. Something like a little teacup here forming here. It could go up. Wow. Yeah, it's not like a good area there. EURGBP. It's a little uptrend happening here. See what's happening here. Yeah, look good. Look really good. All right. It's just a USDJPY. Let's see what's happening with that pair here. Great. So I have less than a minute, guys. It was nice having you all on the call. Let's post the small results we had tonight in the group. And I'll try and upload this video so you all can take a little review on the video. All right. So you all can reach out to me on the group. You can ask questions and stuff. Dylan, nice to see you on the call, bro. All right.
Yeah,
So
bro. I'll go on a bit later. See what's
nice
going
one.
on.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. That's nice. All right, guys. Well, I'll chat with you all on the group, right? Okay. Call within any second now. It's gonna end the recording here.